Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in last video we already discussed about all the geometric shape of two-dimensional and three-dimensional geometric shape. So today we are going to discuss about the how to measure the perimeter, surface area, volume of this geometric shape. In this geometric shape, two-dimensional geometric shape, we can find out the perimeter or surface area or area, and in three-dimensional geometric shape we can find out the area and volume. So all these calculations we call together is mensuration. Mensuration is calculation of these geometric shapes. So now we are going to discuss about the two-dimensional shape. So first one is the circle. Circle is the shape of the circle and r is the radius of the circle. So perimeter is 2 pi r and area is the pi r square. So now we are going to discuss about the second one is the triangle. This is the shape of triangle, and this triangle has sides of A, B, C, and H is the height of the triangle. So perimeter is the sum of the all the sides. Therefore A plus B plus C, and area will be the half into base into height. Half into base into height. Now we discuss about the quadrilateral shape. In quadrilateral shape, first one is the square. We know square have all four sides are equal, so perimeter is the 4a and area will be the a square. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal and parallel. So opposite sides, length is L and breadth is B. So perimeter will be 2 into L plus B and area will be L into B. So now we are going to discuss about parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel, equal and parallel. So this is the height between the two parallel lines, and this is the base and this is the base and this is the another side. So perimeter will be the 2 into A plus B and area is equal to base into height. And next one is the trapezium. In trapezium, this is the parallel line and distance between the parallel line is height. This is the AC. So this AB is the parallel line, CD is the other two lines. So now perimeter will be the summation of the all the sides, A plus B plus C plus D. So now area will be the area is equal to half into A plus B into height. A plus B is the parallel line. So I'm now coming to the rhombus. Rhombus is similar to the square. It has four sides are equal, so its perimeter is 4a, but its internal angles are not 90 degrees. So we have to draw a diagonals. So the diagonals is D1 and D2. So area will be the half into D1 into D2. So now we are going to discuss about the cube, three-dimensional shape. In three-dimensional shape, these are the first one is the cube. Cubes has all sides are equal. So surface area will be the 6a square and volume will be the a cube. Cuboid's length, breadth and height. So area will be the 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. And volume will be the LBH, L into B into H, length into breadth into height. So now coming to the cylinder. In this is the shape of cylinder and R is the radius of the cylinder and H is the height of the cylinder. So if we calculate the surface area, its formula will be the twice pi r into R plus H. R plus H. And if we count the volume, pi r square into H. Pi r. And after coming to cone, this is the shape of the cone, and this cone R is the radius and H is the height and L is the lateral length. Lateral length is L and H is the height. So the perimeter will be pi r into L plus R and area will be the 1 by 3 into pi r square into H. 1 by 3 into pi r square into H. So now coming to the sphere. This sphere radius is R, so perimeter will be 4 pi r square, and area will be the 4 by 3 pi r cube. And in hemisphere, perimeter will be the 3 pi r square, and area will be the 2 pi r 2 by 3 pi r cube volume. So now coming to the prism. In prism, it's not perimeter, but it will be the volume. This prism is the down base is the this is the area of the base, and this is the height. This is the area of the base. B is the area of the base. Then after it is the height. The volume will be the area of base into height. And this is the pyramid, and this is the area of the base B, and this is the height. So its volume will be the 1 by 3 into base into height. So these are the all the geometric shapes and its perimeter, volume, and surface area. So now coming to its units. In perimeter, units is unit form. That means in centimeter, millimeter, kilometer, etc. But in area or surface area, unit will be the square unit. So it will be the centimeter square, millimeter square, kilometer square. And in volume, it will be the cubic unit. That means centimeter cube, millimeter cube, kilometer cube, etc. So these are about the mensuration of this different geometrical shape. Thank you.